Here we'll discuss types of optical fibers and their modes of propagation. So, on the basis of their geometry, there are two types of optical fibers, step index and graded index. And on the basis of their modes of propagation, there are two types again, single mode and multi-mode. So let's have a look. So on the basis of their modes of propagation, there are two types, multi-mode and single mode. And inside multi-mode and single mode both, there are two types again based on their geometry or construction, which is step index and graded index. But in case of single mode, we hardly use graded index fiber. So we'll talk about single mode optical fiber simply. So this is the diagram for single mode fiber, where this area shows the core part and this is cladding part. Here we can see that the diameter of core part is 8 to 10 micrometer, which is very narrow, and for cladding it is 60 to 70 micrometers. This part of the diagram shows refractive indices of cladding and core part, and it is very clear that the refractive index of core part is little higher than the refractive index of cladding part for this much area, and this is for cladding part. Now here, this is optical fiber, single mode fiber, into which light ray is entering by following the principle of acceptance angle. So inside the cone only it will go, and here it will undergo total internal reflection. It will come back into the same medium. It will undergo total internal reflection again at the opposite side, and like that it will travel throughout the single mode fiber. Because they are very narrow, light propagates inside single mode fiber only in single modes. So they are said to be single mode optical fibers. And the point to be noted is refractive index of core should be greater than refractive index of cladding, which is the basic condition. And these fibers are used in submarine. Now let's have a look on step index and graded index optical fibers, and they are multi-mode. So here we can see that this much is the diameter of core area, which is 50 to 200 micrometer, bigger, much bigger than single mode fibers, and this is the diameter of cladding area, 100 to 250 micrometers. This is showing the range. Here also the range is same for step index multimode and graded index multimode fibers. So this is about geometry. Now about refractive index, there is a difference. The basic thing is refractive index of core area should be greater than the refractive index of cladding area, which is same here. This is the refractive index of core and this is for cladding. So if it increases from bottom to top, for cladding it is lesser, for core it is higher. But here we can see that the refractive index of core is uniform throughout the core, and refractive index of cladding is uniform throughout the cladding. But here refractive index of cladding is uniform throughout the cladding, but refractive index of core is not uniform. So when we'll start moving from the central axis towards the core cladding boundary, we'll see that the refractive index is decreasing both sides. So refractive index is not constant or uniform throughout the core. In this case, graded index multimode fiber. Now about propagation, modes of propagation inside the fiber. So here mode of propagation is like this is step index multimode fiber, right? So light rays are propagating based on the principle of total internal reflection here. So suppose this is a light ray, it will strike the interface, it will undergo total internal reflection, it will come back into the same medium, it will strike the interface again, like that. But the difference is there are different modes. So different modes means some light rays will have different angle of incidence, some light rays will have other other value of angle of incidence. For some values will be lesser, some values will be greater, but the main point is each angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle to satisfy the condition of total internal reflection, because light can propagate in large number of modes here and here as well, because both are multi-mode fibers. So here we use either LED light or laser light as incident light, right? These kind of fibers, step index multimode fibers are used in data links. Now, if we'll talk about graded index multimode fiber, the modes of propagation you can see they are really different, and this is because of the variable refractive index inside the core. So as we'll move from this point towards the boundary, core cladding boundary, refractive index of the core decreases. So because of that, we are getting this kind of structure. So as the ray bends and takes different path along the axis, you can see this ray has different path, now this has different and this has different. But the point to be noted that all the rays have same time period. So they are covering same amount of distance in same time. And why their paths are different? Because their speeds are different. So speed is equal to distance over time. We can use the concept. And speed depends on refractive index. If the refractive index is higher, speed will be lower. Right. Here also we use laser or LED lights. These optical fibers, graded index multimode fibers, are expensive as compared to other optical fibers, and we use them in telephone trunks between offices. So to connect line of one telephone exchange to the another telephone exchange. So this is all about types of optical fibers.